Welcome to our quick guide on using the Search Generative Experience Deployment option to enhance search functionality with conversational AI. Let's explore what this deployment option is best for. This deployment option is ideal for extensive content libraries, such as blogs and help centers. It provides clear, immediate answers with context, improving search relevance and user experience. Enhances user engagement with personalized, interactive search responses. Let's explore how to use it. Sign into your CustomGPT app and navigate to Project Setting. Click on Sharing, then select the Search Generative Experience (SGE) deployment option. Enable the SGE button. Go to Advanced Settings. Here, you can customize your chatbot height and prompt. Copy the code provided. Curious to know what it looks like? Get started now and unlock powerful customer support today. Visit CustomGPT.ai.